Welcome back to Insibles, everyone. So I'm going to go down with you guys on APE, and I'm going to go over with you guys on AMC. AMC and APE very much move together. I want to go over both of these with you guys. What would have to happen for AMC to push APE to continue on higher, or can APE continue on without AMC? I'm going to go over all this with you guys. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into APE with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. Again, we're not going to go over our 21-day moving average or our 10-day moving average or even our 50-day moving average because, again, this is our first day of trading here with APE and very much moving with AMC today. As you guys can see with APE, we had a spike, we had a pullback, and then we had the same thing happening here on AMC. As you guys can see, very similar action here on the 5-minute chart, having a spike, had a pullback as well, and we are wondering what exactly would have to happen for APE to continue on higher. Well, of two things that can happen here is that AMC could have a major spike or APE can catch a lot of speculation volume for that possible continuation on higher. As you guys can see on AMC, we do have a major pullback. We are sitting on a major pullback. Can we continue on above this gap up that we had? As you guys can see, we have the high of our bounce here at $13. So for that continuation momentum on AMC, we will be looking to see if we can get a gap back up over 13 at some point in time, but not exactly expecting that at any point in time, of course, because we just had a pullback. So for APE, what we need to happen is that APE does get speculation volume, of course, but we do need to get that increase in buy pressure above our momentum that we had today. And that exact indicator that we would be setting here on our MACD is above our previous buy pressure point. If we can break above it, then we can have more confirmation on this breakout. A lot of people are curious what exactly would give us that confirmation. This is exactly what it would be. We need to make sure we are increasing the momentum here. I had a few friends actually ask me what exactly would have to happen for APE to actually break out here. We do want to just have our alert here. If you guys do want to set an alert here on the MACD, you click the plus sign here on the right, you click add alert, and then you could put that alert right above your previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does ever break above it at any point in time, for example, you may think APE eventually is going to run, but you don't want to exactly hold it. You may just want to play that breakout. I would be setting my alert here right above that previous buy pressure point, so that way I do get confirmed on that breakout whenever it does happen. And as you guys can see, again, we did have our double top. We had our high of the day here at 1049, so we could set an alert here above 1049 as well if we do break back over 10, which is a strong psychological resistance, and then we continue on above our 1049 mark. We can assume that we have strength from there. Now, what needs to happen here for us to have that possible continuation on higher and gap up from this gap down that we had, I would be looking at our EMA lines here on our MACD. I would want to see if we can at least cross back above here. Actually, something similar happened here. I played pets last week. If you guys do remember, we talked about pets looking for a continuation. As you guys can see on the 5-minute chart, we actually jumped out of oversold territory, and then we did have this continuation and very much a nice breakout that we had in the Insibles room, over 70% on the week here. So again, very similar play here. I would want to see if we can at least jump back above the median of our MACD here on AMC to see if we can possibly continue on higher. But again, looking for that continuation on pressure to make sure we can have that possible gap up here from that gap down that we had. Again, that would be that overreaction that we would be possibly looking for APE to possibly continue on higher, and then looking to see if we can break over 1049 here on APE would be the play. But again, in my opinion, based on that pullback that we have with AMC at this point in time, I would just be looking for more speculation momentum. Again, as you guys can see, we had a spike with APE at the end of the day. We did not have that spike at the end of the day with AMC. So if we do continue on with a spike without AMC and we do get that momentum again with confirmation above 1049, we will mention this in the Insibles room. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts, multiple breakouts that we mentioned throughout the day, looking for confirmation breakouts is what we do in the Insibles room, for example, here, as we would be looking for on the MACD. If you guys do want to see all these breakouts that we mentioned throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that come over every single day and support the channel, I know the market has been very choppy today. We're going to continue to go at it, stay patient, take what the market gives us at the very end of the day. Again, a very major spike, very high risk with BON, but broke out 30% above $3, breaking up over $4.20. So again, just take what the market gives us. Again, that was a higher risk play. And again, all of you Instables that come over every single day and support the channel, we're going to continue to take what the market gives. Again, leading into Powell on Friday, and then we have our PCE report, again, our inflation report on Friday. So we're going to see exactly how the market digests. Again, on the S&P 500, as you guys can see, again, over the weekend, we mentioned how we were pointing down. We had a slight spike up, but as you guys can see, we jumped out of overbought territory, continued on lower here. So that is why we've been having that pressure to the downside. Again, very much anticipating Powell and our PCE inflation report going into this Friday. So we'll see exactly how the market holds leading into Friday. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in pre-market.